I mean, hello. Yeah, Metal Man 873 here today with a third unboxing video with actually a very big surprise actually today, which I'm going to be doing on this channel. So yeah, it can now be unveiled because yeah, and here it is here. Well, unlike a TV, this can fit in the frame. Yeah, this is anyway. This is replacing something in my room. This is my HP Pavilion laptop, 15-CW1511SA laptop. So yeah. Anyway, the reason why I bought this again, like I've said, I've bought this thing from Curry's PC World, which I think I mentioned a couple of times, is my previous laptop broke and I've been unable to make more clips for YouTube until now, of course. So yeah, this has got Windows 10 on it, and the next Windows up from what I've been using actually, by the way. So yeah. Anyway, I'm just going to reposition the tripod for a moment and this so you can actually see the book. Actually, I've got an idea. I'm just going to show you this right now, like this way. And anyway, so there it is on the side. So this is the HP Pavilion laptop with a AMD Ryzen processor, 256GB solid state drive. Well, actually, it's a tiny bit less than what I had on my previous laptop, memory-wise, but still, it's going to do me. Actually, it's going to do me actually. Got Windows 10, no optical drive on here, FreeCell 41 width, and this has even got a touchscreen as well on this laptop, which is also a bonus. So yeah, that's just some of the features of this Hewlett-Packard laptop. So anyway, I'm just going to put this down on the floor at the minute so you can actually see the unboxing. So, and by the way folks, I'm going from a Packard Bell laptop which had Windows 8.1 on it, Windows 8.1 only had a few years left of support on it, to this. So yeah, Packard Bell, Hewlett-Packard, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, yeah, the memory changes, disk drive to no disk drive, the reason why I got this. And yep, basically, so yeah, let's just get this thing open. So yeah, actually I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to go and grab a pen or something, or some scissors to get this open. See you in a moment. Yeah, anyway, just found a pen on the dining room table. We'll use this to open up the box. Right, here we go. Yeah. There we are. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, I'm very excited for this laptop, folks. What am I saying? Yeah, and especially, actually, there's something like 70-75% of computers running Windows 10 for everyone who's got Windows 10 like that. Yeah, for me, upgrade. Yeah. So yeah. Right. We've opened it up, so let's just go through some of the stuff one by one, shall we? Yeah, we got, I wonder what this is. Simplified declaration of conformity on here for the laptop. Yeah. Oh, actually, anything else? I'm just gonna dig in there to raffle. There could be anything in here, you know. It's a right lottery, it is. Oh yeah, also setup instructions for the laptop on here. So yeah, which just flicks out like so. So yeah, just basically instructions on how to set it up, plugging it into the wall, connecting it to the internet, and also shows you all the features on the laptop and what have you. And oh yeah, I did mention this has got Windows 10 on it, so yeah, and Windows Start Screen, search, and some gestures for random gestures and things and what have you for the touch screen possibly. I wonder if those are healing hands by any chance. Oh, I am the healer in the poison of the night. Okay, I'm joking. Ooh, yep. Anyway, so let's open this up, shall we? Yeah. Ooh, we've also got the in here. Ooh, AC adapter, plug, what in here, and so. Yep. Yeah, so, and the big Nelly in here, which is right at the bottom. Here we are. There we are, folks. Right. So get it out. I've got this in my hand. Here we are. Here we go. Voila. Open this up. Whoa. Right in this packaging. Whoa. Open this up. Open this up, folks. Laptop in here. Yeah. Whoa, here we are. Ta-da! Woohoo! This, I don't know if you can actually see this in the camera, but in the light, I've ordered this laptop in blue, actually. And there were the other options that would have been silver, actually, so yeah. Actually, this is slightly thinner than my old laptop was, actually, by the way. And yeah, let's just have a quick look, open it up, see what's in here. Yeah, I'll be looking forward to this once this happens. Oh, so open that up, take that off, and here we are. Actually, yep. Oh, it looks good. Everything's in order. HP Pavilion, all the keyboards on there. Lovely fan-nabby dozy touchscreen. And yeah. Looks fabulous, actually. So, yeah. Whoa. So, that's the unboxing of this. So I think the next bit of this, which is going to happen, it's going to have to basically plug it in to resuscitate it. Well, actually, no, not resuscitate it. Basically turn it on to give birth to this thing. I'm sure. Yeah, bring it into life and voila! And then Merlin will have to do his magic to set this up probably again, won't he? Right, anyway folks, so anyway, I'm gonna set this up, gonna put this on the table, plug it in, set this up, and I'll do a final clip later on once this is all done, so until I do, see you later on. Also, there was something which I forgot to mention to you folks. Actually, a very funny fact about this laptop on the floor, on there. Actually, if you've seen any Curry's PC World adverts recently, October, that laptop would have been in HP Pavilion, would have been in some of the most recent advertisements actually on TV recently, as well. So yeah, that's a bit of a known fact for you all. So yep. Once I've set this thing up, I'll show you the laptop in action for the first time, maybe a little bit. So yeah, I'll see you later on when it happens. Peace.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Oh yeah, anyway folks.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows.
So hello folks, yeah, I'm just in the middle of setting the laptop up. I just thought I might quickly give you a quick overview of the laptop, just have a quick look around. So yeah, well, I'm just setting this up actually. So yeah, we've got all the keys, touchpad on here, what have you, everything's in order. There's the HP branding right there. I've got a quick fact for you folks. Actually, the last time I had an HP laptop was around 6 years ago, actually, but the version of Windows it had on that one had Windows XP on there, which was quite good, although actually very, very slow later on. So yeah, behind the USB you've got two USB ports on there, SD card slot right here. It's got AMD Ryzen processor inside, Radeon graphics cards on there. Yeah, this laptop is razor thin, folks, unlike my last laptop. It's got no DVD drive on here, unfortunately, like the last one, but hey, I've got the external drive, like I mentioned. I've got headphone jack, HDMI, connectivity ports, and another USB port on there. Webcam, and this is in blue, and then this is the back, and then this is the back. This has got the HP branding on the back, and yeah, this is in blue. Yeah. So I'm gonna set the rest of this up and have a quick look at it in action in a moment. So see you in a moment. Here we go, folks. The laptop is getting ready, as you know. What have you? Yeah, fantastic. This one is. Yeah. So here we go, folks. Yeah, the laptop's all set up now, and here, yeah, quick look at it. Here it is in action. Yeah, Windows 10, 5 years. Yeah, I got a new upgrade to it. 5 years in. It's open glory. Taskbar at the bottom. Applications. Yeah, recycle bin. Microsoft Edge. Yeah. Just to show you a quick test of something randomly. I'll type on my own YouTube channel actually. Type on Metalman8713 and search. Right, so yeah, there we go. Anyway, these are all my most recent videos on here. We're gonna just click on the Dead or Undead Zombie Apocalypse. This is my most recent video. Most recent video. So, looks good. Yeah. Fan Dabby Dozy. Yeah. Watch. Whoa! Watch how the video flickers for a moment. It's gonna flicker. Flicker. There we are. Yeah, this is in Microsoft Edge and everything, and also I'm just going to go into the Microsoft Store to download myself a few new apps on here and whatever. Yeah. Also, I think this is all touchscreen, by the way, so I'm going to test this out. Just test the start menu. Yeah, for instance. Yeah, that works. Okay. Oh, so here we go. Yeah, Windows 10. Very, very fantastic. And yeah, so that's just about it for the video. So yeah, I'm gonna have a bit of an explore around it myself and see how it is. And yep, anyway, thank you very much folks for watching this video, and also as well, so yep, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, come to my channel, check out the range of videos there is on offer. And I'll thank you all very much for watching. I will see you all in my next YouTube video. I'll see you again next time. Sign off and peace.